Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today we are doing another Disney makeup inspiration look. I posted on my Instagram, on my Insta story. I was asking if you would prefer a makeup look on Aurora from The Sleeping Beauty or Elsa from Frozen, and the majority was for Elsa. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go there. Normally I ask you on YouTube to choose between the next princess that I will do on my channel, but it is not possible anymore to do it, you know, with a little plot or whatever that was on the eye. So that's why I'm asking on Instagram now. So for Elsa, she's not my favorite Disney princess. She's interesting, but for example, between Elsa and Anna, I would prefer Anna because she's more human. She's more bubbly and more joyful. Elsa is more dark. She's searching herself. She doesn't understand all the history that she has, and she's trying to figure it out. And she has all that power, obviously. In the first movie, I don't really... It's not that I don't like her, but you know, she's always so tortured. So yeah, not my favorite character. In the second movie, I like her more. She is more fierce. She's really doing something about it, you know, not just trying to escape or trying to conceal, don't feel, and all that jazz. But she's really trying to move on and trying to find a solution, and also I enjoy it more. So I will do her look today, and first I thought of blue because of her dress, but she's changing a lot in the movies, something that I really enjoy actually, because I don't like the fact that princesses have always only like one or two dresses. I mean, come on, we want variety. But she does have a lot of different outfits. So I was thinking of going with blue and purple and some white, like pearly white or something like that, a little bit like snow or crystallized snow. So I have different palettes that I will use today where I found the different blues or purple that I want, because that's something that I enjoy, you know, go on my collection, see which one will go best. And I have really a lot of palettes that can match with Elsa colors that I have in mind. I have this one from Beauty Bay, the Book of Magic palette, a really good one. And from Beauty Bay also we have the collab with Nikki. We have this color right here, some blues. We have the BH Cosmetic Blueberry Muffin that is actually very good for this look also. I was thinking of some Makeup Geek too. So let's begin. So I quickly did my brows, I put the Pillowy Space on, and I will begin with the color Crème Brûlée from Makeup Geek, only to set a little bit above the crease. I will continue in the Blueberry Muffin palette with the color Delish, this one, and with a fluffy brush I'm going to put the color above the crease. I'm always beginning in the middle and slowly blending the color. I will continue with Beauty Bay Book of Magic, and I will take the color Elixir. And this color, I will put it on the crease a little bit underneath the first color that we put, and I am beginning at the middle again and not going into the inner corner. I will continue with Cursed, and this color I will place it on the crease also with a more precise brush to continue like the different blues that we have going on. Then in the Mercury retrograde, I will take this like lilac pastel color called Libra, and this color will go in the inner corner but above the crease. And I think I will continue the dark blue line that we have on the crease into the inner corner as well. Not all the way down, but just a little bit more. And now I will cut the crease, cut the crease, cut the crease. So I cut the crease, and what I like to do is take an angle brush, I already did it, and take the blue color, the deep blue color that we have on the crease, and I re-put some blue on this line. I will take now this purple from Makeup Geek, and it's in the color Fuchsia. And I will stop here just to the end of the tail. I will clean after, so we don't have to worry about that. That's why I did the eyes first. I will deepen a little bit with the palette from Beauty Bay and Nikki with the color Slasher. I'm taking the same brush, but you know, on the other side. And I will finish up this line with Sorcery, a little bit of Sorcery, then Enchanted, and I will leave the inner corner bare. And then from the Blueberry Muffin palette, I will take this beautiful silver color called Hot and Fresh. It's like metallic silver. I will clean a bit, or a lot, do the face and be right back to continue with the eyes. So let's continue. I will take from the BH Cosmetic Blueberry Muffin palette this little color that we used first, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit under the eye. From the Beauty Bay and Nikki palette, a little bit of Slasher, and this color I am only gonna place right here, just a little bit. I forgot to tell you, I put some black from which palette? I'm using so many palettes. From this palette, the Beauty Bay Book and Magic, the black, and I did a little liner. I'm taking this silver color that we used on the inner corner, and I will place it underneath. This color is so pretty. From the So Jaded palette, I will use the color Opal in the inner corner. I will take Sugared and place it under the brows. I don't know if you're like me, but I just can't seem to stop. I want to put more and more and more and more, even if we don't really see a difference. So bear with me. I will take a little bit of Moonlight from the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette, just to do a little connection right here. It's really not necessary, but it's just for the pleasure of adding another shade clearly. It's just for the pleasure of it. For the lips, I will use Arc-en-Ciel in the color Brun Rosé for lip liner. And for lipstick, the Wet n Wild in the Flesh. It's not the lipstick that I wanted. I will take NYX Turn It Up in the color Tules, number 5. The eyeliner in Aurora from Beauty Bay on the waterline. I don't know why the lashes don't want to stick in the inner corner. It's really annoying me. So we'll just ignore that. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If it is the case, put a like on it and share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.